The more you connect and rise with the universe, you learn not to look down and pass judgment on others. We are all the mirror image of one another, just living at different stages within our journey. When someone is the mirror image of someone else, they are a reflection of them because they are exactly the same or opposite. Whatever pleases you or doesn't about that individual is something you love or hate within inside yourself. I am you, you are me, we are one. You know the vibes.